I have a package arrived today. This is probably something that I've shopped online. So this is how I normally do my unboxing as well as shopping haul. Haha! Ooh, let's see what's inside. Oh wow, so this is a wide angle conversion lens for mobile phone, right? And what you can do is attach it to your mobile phone camera to enable your pictures or video to capture a much more wider scenario, alright? So pretty cool looking, huh? Nice product and pretty solid build up. So if you guys want to see me reviewing this and doing a full test on the quality, how bad or how good this is, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification button so that you will get my next video update on reviewing this. Alright, so see you guys.